Here is my sweater. I got so excited to finish the ribbon. That was a lot of work over here. But now I look at it and it feels like it's just a little bit too narrow. The ribbon in my original pattern for the summer top is much wider. It's 20 stitches wide. This one I made 12 stitches wide, but now I feel like perhaps I should have made it 14 or 15 stitches wide. I think I'm going to unravel again. And unraveling this yarn is not fun because it tangles up, not tangles up, but kind of sticks together the way mohair yarn does. So yeah, it's not fun unraveling this yarn. Here is the new ribbon, the wider one, and I just tried on the sweater and it's perfect. So I can fasten off, and there's only one little thing to do, the neckline ribbon, and I'll be done. I just made the last stitch on the neckline ribbon, and I can't believe my sweater is actually done. The yarn that I used is Alize Angora Gold. This yarn is 80% acrylic and 20% wool. One skein has 100 grams or 601 yards. So let's see how much yarn my sweater took. 220 grams. So that's a little bit more than 2 skeins. This is the third skein that I have, and I used some of it, but not all. Those of you who have been following my journey of crocheting this sweater, those who watched all of my previous videos, know that I worked, frogged, and reworked this piece many times. I made multiple changes and adjustments along the way. It was a long process and a lot of work, but I'm truly glad I made every single one of those changes, because in the end, my sweater turned out exactly the way I wanted. The width, the sleeve length, the ribbon, and the overall fit, everything feels just right. All of that effort was absolutely worth it. I hope that by sharing my struggles and now this perfect final result, I can inspire and encourage you to keep going with your own crochet projects, even when things don't work out on the first try. Don't give up. Keep crocheting, keep learning, and keep trying new things, because the reward of finishing something beautiful with your own hands is always worth it. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, for following, and for being here with me.